Alright guys, this is a video on the Umarex HDR 50, and this is the carbine it comes with. I got it from MCS. Yeah, it's made specifically for the TR50 from Umarex T4E or the HDR 50, but they're both the same marker. Okay, this is going to be fully modified for HPA. If you notice, I took a piece of the stock off, and yeah, I got this tie in here, but you're going to see what that's for in a minute. It's for the tank. It's going to lock my tank in. We're going to be using the 360 adapter. I've showed it in other videos on a couple different builds, and yeah, it's going to be fastened the same way, but we'll see that as we go. I'm just showing you this is my build. I got a home defense tuning running. I modified it. I pretty much just took a metal pipe, not much bigger, and I heated it through. At first I dremeled it out a little bit, and then that was taking too long, so I just did what Sean Kemper did, and Less Lethal for Dummies. He melted a ratchet or some kind of bar and put it straight through with the heat and spun it through. Well, I did the same with the pipe, but I did it with a torch and just spun it through with my hand and kind of worked it and jigged it around a little bit. But I did take a little bit out with the Dremel before that. I also did the same thing in the front end here. As you can see, I got just enough so that the barrel returns. So it's nice and smooth. So that way when all the weight's put on the barrel, it's actually resting on here, nice smooth little surface. So yes, I got these flip up 45-degree sights on, just in case your sights ever fail, your batteries. I'm not sure if you guys can see that in there, but yeah, I got a crosshair. Boom. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but anyways, we got a crosshair in there. So when it's popped up, yeah, anyways. Alright, let's get right to it. I've got the locking devices in. This one here is not really necessary, because when I get the tank in, it pulls it up and it's nice and secure. It just puts a lot of upward pressure so that it doesn't disalign. Oh yeah, that's right, we're connected completely to the tuning run barrel now, so yeah, sweet. I'm not worried about this part. You don't really need this piece anymore. Yeah, because the two barrels used to butt right there, and if it was off, then it was off. But now we're straight through, so we don't even have that problem. Anyways, so I'll get this sight back on here. This is my EO Tech. It's a magnifier. It's a EO Fake magnifier. Same thing with this. Another EO Tech. Fake. EO Fake. Yeah, we got our PEC box, PEQ box. Just fasten that on here. The flathead. The two magnifier and the red dot is those are quick release. Oh, how can I forget? You have two options here now. You can either go the little baby magazine from HomeDefense24.com, and same with the barrel, the tuning run barrel, that's all HomeDefense24.com. The mock suppressor, the muzzle brake, we can have options for. It'll screw right onto the barrel tip. We also got this is actually an MCS HPA adapter. It goes into the butt of the marker down in here. I'll screw right into there, and then it'll allow you to screw this is a 360 ASA on-off degas, self-degassing as well. From Home Defense 24, really good piece. And this is just a normal First Strike 9 CI tank, 750 PSI, but you can put the PSI to whatever you like. I'm keeping this one more around the 45-50 joule mark, so I don't want it to go. Plus, this tank is perfect for the stock. Okay, so first of all, you can choose whichever one of these you want on. This should go right up in there. Yeah, usually. Oh, it's being a pain in the butt, but I'd have to take the marker out to put it on, but kind of looks like that. So you can either put that on there, which I personally like. This looks cool, and it makes for a really comfortable foregrip, a magwell grip. Really comfortable. But you can also kind of grip onto that too, but it makes it convenient because you have 4 extra magazines in here. And yeah, they come out really fast, so they're really quick to load. These are really cool. And then, yeah, there's another one. These are from Torsica. I have another one that actually holds extra spare magazines. But yeah, this will go on as well. Let me, just two two Allen bolts on the other side here. Okay. So there, now we got that on. And I've got a foregrip from Berna. Oh my god, this thing is really comfortable. It's nice and small. It's hollow, it's very light, and is it ever comfy? And then, oh no. Okay, we got it. Alright, we'll just find the place for that. Alright. So alright, so we got that grip on. Yeah, so we got a flashlight, laser, a magnifier if things go outside if you needed to, which not really necessary. And we got the red dot. You can also put a spare red dot here if you like. This one's more, this is a pistol laser. Not a red dot, a laser. So yeah, this will be one for a pistol, I find. Oh, I had the wrong hound key, no wonder. So, now for the tank. So basically, this here just screws in the bottom. Hit your Allen key. So it's like, first you'll put your oil when you're using HPA. Just always put like, I put like three drops of oil. If I'm using like 1100 psi, then I'll go 4. And if I got the big chambers, air chambers, I use 5 because, man, the more air you use, the drier your chambers get. So keep them nice and lubed and your O-rings will stay nice. I find with all the older Gen ones, they don't really have the big issues with the O-rings. Even today's, I don't see many people blowing O-rings much now. Looks like Umarex starts using good O-rings because I don't seem to have any issues in mine either. Any of my newer ones. So, yeah, now we got this in. You're probably wondering, how does this stop spinning and why is your stock cut? Well, the stock is cut to accommodate, I got this zip tie in here. It hides, the knuckle hides in there, but once we get it around the tank, yeah, I got it really tight here, so. Oh, there we go, I got it. Okay. Yeah, like, see, we got this tank on. I'll hide this up in there. There, that way it's out of the way, the knuckle. There we go, that's on there nice and tight. So, just to show you how tight it is. Whoa, knocking stuff off over here, but yeah, see guys? Alright, that's not going anywhere. So all I have to do to take that off, this still screws, you just flick that off with your thumb, give it a little flick right here, and that's it. But yeah, it's really secure, there's no shake, there's no wobble. I showed this off in other builds before. And yeah, guys, you can either, oh yeah, I also found a place for this to go, the little baby magazine. It clicks perfectly, the Picatinny rail, and it clicks perfectly into this stock. I'm not sure if I like it up here or right there. They put it here, it's a little bit closer to your thumb. It can rub the knuckle, so I prefer it back here. Boom, it just snaps on like that. I mean, it's got a tiny little bit of wobble, but it's okay. It's actually great. The magazines come out perfect. Nice and easy and fast. And you can either top it off with a muzzle brake. Keep it really short. Or you can get Florian's suppressor that comes with a sponge inside of it. Mock suppressor. It does reduce some of the noise, I believe. People are saying. I haven't tested it fully. I shot it in here, but I don't have a decibel meter, so. You can also make your own baffles and put baffles inside. The more baffles you can put in here, the quieter it'll be. Plus, the bigger of a can you can get a hold of if you ever try to make your own. The bigger the can, the more air it'll catch. The more baffles you put in, the more air it'll catch, the more quieter it'll be. But, yeah, guys, so there's that. See? I'm going to do a little bit more smooth sanding just to get that barrel really crispy and smooth. Not crispy, but like really smooth. Yeah, so you can leave that on. Oh wait, I'll show you the other side. You got this. like this is the full package, guys. This here is, depending on your PSI, any amount of power you have. Also, I'm going to be incorporating my magazine. I'm not going to put my full 20 round mag, but I have another one, a shorty, that's going to fit in right here. Just come before my stock and where that Picatinny rail starts. And in total, it's going to be 14 rounds. It's going to be a 14 round continuous magazine like my 21. Like the 20 round mag I have. The 20 round mag comes out to about here. But the 14 round mag is going to come to about here. So I'm just going to have to take a little chunk of this stock out and get my other HDR that I had modified. And I'm going to swap it in here in place. So yeah, this is the full package, guys. It has a degasser. Any PSI pretty much you want. Pretty short setup. It's only one tuning run barrel section. It's the extra long one, so it's not quite, it's still shorter than 2 sniper sections, but it's just one extra long one. But I'll know it's not as long as 2. It's just a little bit shy of that. So yeah, guys, and then still it's very, very short. Very short setup. It's getting into the medium range. Like not quite the size of my HK416, but it's like a really small AR platform, like a really small one. Sorry, not a small one. It's like a in between small and medium. It's not really a shorty either, but it's very homely and doable to move around the house with, no problem. But now, if you want to put one of these on, you're getting a little bit longer, so. But like I said, if you can allow to baffle these in your country, and well, then that's great, because then neighbors and stuff, and especially if you like to flank. Yeah, there. And also, you get the knock suppressor on there. And yeah, guys, pretty much. Here's how it looks on the other side. And if your optics batteries ever fail, you got a side sight right here, very accurate with a crosshair. So you got your long range, very accurate shot. And then you got your close range, the big wide open circle for close range. Yeah, we got 2 lasers. This thing comes with an infrared laser. I don't use because I don't have the IR goggles. So I just keep it on the laser. And yeah, that's it, guys. This here is just, it makes a really good magwell grip. Other than that, it has no use. This isn't the spare magazine holding one. Although I do have one that holds magazines. Yeah, guys, I pretty much covered this. All the suppressors, the tuning run barrel, the extensions, the adapters, the little baby magazine, the ammo that you saw in there, the red ammo, all that's from Home Defense 24. I got the Carbine kit from MCS, Modern Combat Sports, paintball. And then yeah, guys, here's also my stock. So nice and short, I kept it. Just cut a little tip off, just enough to incorporate this in. Look at that. There's no wobble, that's just a magazine wobble. But other than that, I don't know. Not sure what this is, but this is almost close to 2 barrels. So on HPA 1100, with 1 barrel, you're at around 55, 60 joules. So with 750 PSI, I'd say we're probably, I don't know, I'm going to find out soon, but we're at, I'm guessing we're around the 50 joule mark. Maybe 55 max. That's just my guess. But anyways, guys, y'all stay safe, take care, and have fun, as always.